Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Now I am going to discuss two persons game, three persons game related concept. See here, two persons game. Two persons are playing the game. If P and Q are the probability of success, failure of a game, in which here A and B plays a game. If A start the game, then probability of A's winning chance. Second point, probability of B's winning chance and the ratio of their success. Three we need to find. Okay, two members are playing a game, but they are playing that alternatively. Who will start first? A will start. If he will win the game is closed. For suppose he didn't win the game, then when he will get the chance? When he will get the chance? Tell me. After completing the B, second chance. Yes or no? Plus, plus, or uh, you can go another way. Another way. How they are playing the game? A, B, A, B, A, B, and so on. Alternative. Now here I am going to find first one. Probability of A's winning chance. Only A's. Observe that A's winning chance. When the person A getting chances. A's winning chance. That is equal to. Observe here. Who is starting the game? A. If he win the game, what is probability of success here? P. For suppose he didn't win the game, when he will get the chance? He will get third chance. He got third chance means the first two chances are failed, then only he will get the chance. Yes or no? So failed means what is the probability? Q. Probability is Q. So Q, Q, when he succeed, third time, plus if he not succeed third time, when he will get the chance? Fifth time. He got the fifth chance means remaining four chances are failure only. Then only he will get the fifth chance. Okay, right. He got fifth chance means first four times failure. That is Q, 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 Q. When he is getting a chance, fifth chance, like this, and so on. The game is going continuously. The first chance A is getting first chance. If he win the game, the game is closed. In case he didn't win means he will get another chance. Here, third chance he got. In case he win the game means the game is closed. Otherwise, like that, it's going continuously. So by observing the series, P, this is P plus Q square P plus Q power 4P and so on up to infinite. This is GP series. Sum of infinite GP series. What is the formula? A by 1 minus R. Yes or no? Here, what is the A, students? A means first term. That value should be P. What is common ratio? T2 divided by T1. The common ratio is Q square. Now, Apply the formula. A P by 1 minus R. R means Q square. P by 1 minus Q square. See here, already given probability of A's winning chance. Another formula also given. How to calculate that? See, P divided by 1 plus Q into 1 minus Q. We know that probability of success plus failure is equal to one game. That is total sample space. What is P here? 1 minus Q or not? So 1 minus Q means P. P is going to cancel. Remaining what is it? 1 by 1 plus Q. Here already given. So probabilities of A winning chance. How much, students? 1 by 1 plus Q. Now I am going to second case. That means probability of B's winning chance. B's winning chance. How to do that? Tell me. Two methods. General method, direct method. Direct method means 1 minus probability of A's winning chance. Out of total, subtract A's winning chance. Remaining are probability of B's winning chance only now. Okay, there is one method. Go to alternative method. Who is starting the game? A. A is starting the game. Now here observe that when the person B getting the chances. See here observe that B getting the chance when? Second chance. Second chance he got means first chance A failed. Then only he will get the chance. QP. Understood, students? QP. How we got QP? A is failed, then only B got chance. If B succeed, the A game is end. If it is not succeed, again when he will get the chance? Fourth chance. If he got fourth chance means first 3 times failed, Q. Fourth chance succeed. For suppose fourth chance also not succeed, when you will get sixth chance. He got sixth chance means first 5 times failed. Remember it. Q, P, and so on like this. Okay. Now calculate this. Calculate this. This is also sum of infinite GP series only. Use formula A by 1 minus R. A means first term, that is QP divided by 1 minus R. R means T2 by T1 or not. QP is cancelled, you will get here Q square. Now this is QP by 1 plus Q into 1 minus Q. 1 minus Q means how much? That is P. P cancel. We are getting Q by 1 plus Q. See? So we got formula QP by 1 minus Q square, that is equal to Q by 1 plus Q. This is Q. Or already I told to you another method. What is that? Probability of B's winning chance. B's winning chance, that is equal to total probability minus probability of A's winning chance. What is probability of A's winning chance? 1 by 1 plus Q. Calculate this, you will get Q by 1 plus Q only. So you will get same answer here and here. Follow any one of the method. Okay, students, I think all of you understood now. Right. Now here they are asking third point. See, Third point, the ratio of their success. Ratio of their success. Probability of A's winning chance ratio. Probability of B's winning chance. Probability of A's winning chance, we got 1 by 1 plus Q ratio. Probability of B's winning chance, Q by 1 plus Q. See, denominator is same. Eliminate that. What is the ratio now? 1 is to Q. 1 is to Q. Okay? Right. Now, if three persons are played a game, P and Q are the probability of success, failure of a game in which A, B, and C play in order if A start the game. So two persons are played a game means written A, B, A, B, A, B like here, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C like that. But here we want to find probability of A's winning chance, probability of B's winning chance, probability of C's winning chance. There are three chances are there here. So I will find only one, anyone. Which one you want? First or second or third? So I'm going to do the second one. I'm going to do the second one. Students, right. See here, A, B, C. Next again, A, B, C. Next again, A, B, C. Next again, A, B, C. The game is playing like this and so on. Okay. Now I am going to find probability of B's winning chance. B's winning chance. Here, see, here B is there, here, and here, here. First B, observe that he got the second chance. When he will get the second chance? Whenever the first person failed means the first person succeeded means the game is going to end. B person cannot get the chance. So what we can write? First person failed, then only he got the chance. Then he succeeded. In case he's not succeeded, when he will get the chance? Fifth chance. If he got fifth chance means first four persons are failed, then only he will get the chance. Student, are you understood? And for suppose in second chance also he failed, when he will get the again? Yeah, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth chance he will get. Eighth chance. Eighth chance means Q power 7 into P. And so on like this. Or suppose probability of C's winning chance. C's winning chance. Observe here where it is possible C. Where is C? This is B. Here, here, here. See, observe here. First two times failed means then only he will get the chance. That means Q, Q, P. When he will get another chance? Next case. First 5 times failed. That means Q power 5 into P. Next, when he will get the chance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times failed means 9th time he will get the chance. So like this. And these are all GP series only. Sum of infinite GP series. You know the formula. A by 1 minus R. Use it. Okay. Here P minus Q cube given. A cube minus B cube formula. Apply that. 1 minus Q into 1 plus Q plus Q square. 1 minus Q means that is P only now. P is going to cancel. You will get this answer. Okay. Now, 78th question. A person draw a card from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. and replace it. He continued doing he continues doing so until he draws a spade. The chances that he fails first two times. The chances that he fails first two times. Then how to do this? The chances that he fails first two times. First two times he failed means third time onwards he will be succeed. If he third time fail means he will get chance fourth time. But first two times he cannot success. He cannot success. What is the probability of success here? Here P means success. Remember it. P means success. Out of 52 playing cards, he want to pick a one card. That card should be spade. Spade cards, how many are there? 13. Out of 13, select one. So 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. P means success. Then Q, failure. 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Okay, these are the P and Q values. Now we are going to start the game. So observe the game. The chances that he fails first two times. So this is fixed right here. First two times fail. That means third time will be succeed. Plus, if he not succeed third time, and he will get chance fourth time. That means third time failed, he will get fourth chance. Plus, if he didn't succeed in fourth time, when he will get the chance? Again fifth time. Only one person is playing the game. Okay, right. Now in this case, observe that what we can take common. PQ square, take common. Remaining we get 1 plus q square plus and so on infinite. Okay, in previous problems also you can take common like this, no problem. PQ square into, here apply the formula, sum of infinite GP series, A by 1 minus R, 1 minus Q, 1 minus Q. So 1 minus Q means what? P only now. So PQ square divided by P, PP cancel. Then we are getting only Q square. What is Q, students? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole square, that is 9 by 16. This is the answer. Which option correct? Second option. A six-faced fair die is thrown. Fair dice is thrown until one comes. Then the probability that one comes in even number of trails. See here, even number of trails means second trial, fourth trial, sixth trial, eighth trial, and so on. Okay, you want to win the game even number of times. That means odd number of times he failed automatically. Okay, now how many dice they are rolled? A six-faced fair die, not dice, is thrown until one comes. So probability of success. There are total 6 sample points. One is possible only one way. So probability of success is 1 by 6 and probability of failure 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Okay. Now required probability is equal to, students observe here, when he getting chance, second chance. That means first chance failed, then only second chance he will get and succeed. He failed in second chance, when he will get again fourth chance. If he got fourth chance means first three failed means then only he will get the fourth chance. Okay. If he got fourth chance, he succeeded. The game is closed. If he not succeed, when he will get the chance? Sixth chance. That means first 5 times failed means then only he will get the sixth chance, like this. Okay. Now what is the common? Take a QP common, remaining 1 plus Q square, Q power 4, and so on infinite. This is a sum of infinite GP series. Apply the formula QP into A by 1 minus R. Common ratio is Q square. So QP by denominator 1 plus Q into 1 minus Q. 1 minus Q means P only, because P plus Q is equal to 1. Probability of success and failure. 1 minus Q is P. P cancels. Now Q by 1 plus Q. That means 5 by 6 by 1 plus 5 by 6. What is answer? 5 by 11. Second option correct.